The Langlands of that ilk family, as per Black's records, is believed to have derived its name from a property located in Peebleshire. This territorial association suggests that the family's early prominence was tied to this region. Meanwhile, Hesbet asserts that the Clan Langlands held a position of respect in Teviotdale, an area in the Scottish borders. Over the years, the Clan Langlands expanded its holdings and influence. They acquired a portion of the lands of the barony of Wilton in Roxburghshire, further solidifying their status. The granting of a charter of land to Marion, widow of John de Langland, in 1364 indicates the family's ownership and involvement in land transactions. The Clan Langlands boasted notable individuals throughout its history. One such figure is Jamie Langland, recorded as a tenant of lands belonging to Kelso Abbey in 1567. This connection to the abbey suggests a close relationship and involvement with the religious community. Despite their rich history and influence, the main line of the Clan Langlands appears to have faltered in 1790. The reasons for this decline remain a mystery, leaving behind a void in the direct male lineage. However, the impact and contributions of the Langlands family during their prime continue to resonate.